Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Ms. Lily English. It's such a great day to learn English together. And I'm Lily, your host. I'm here with my amazing co-host, Jason, who looks very energetic today. What's going on, Jason? You look like you could run a marathon.
I probably could, Lily. I feel fantastic. Do you know why? Go ahead, guess. I'm sure you'll get it wrong in the funniest way.
Let me try. Did you take a super long nap? Or maybe you just want a free vacation to Italy?
Oh, I wish, but no, not even close. The real reason is very simple. I just had an incredible cup of coffee. A magical cup, Lily. It woke up every cell in my body.
Ah, coffee, of course. Coffee has superpowers. It makes mornings brighter and people happier. Honestly, the smell of fresh coffee is my favorite moment of the day.
Same here. And since we both love coffee, today's topic is perfect. We're talking about going to a coffee shop and ordering coffee like a native English speaker. This is a real-life situation many learners experience.
Exactly. Whether you go to a coffee shop to work, meet a friend, or just relax, it's a great place to practice English. And today, we're going to guide everyone through the whole routine.
Before we dive into the fun, we should ask our listeners for a tiny favor.
That's right. If you enjoy learning English with us, please hit the like button and subscribe to Ms. Lily English. It helps us so much. And share this episode with your friends who love coffee or who need a little help ordering it.
Okay, Lily, imagine this. We're walking into a busy coffee shop. What's the first thing you notice?
Definitely the smell. Freshly ground coffee beans have this warm, comforting aroma that feels like a morning hug.
And the sound. The coffee machines, the milk steaming, the cups clinking. It's like a little orchestra playing a caffeinated symphony.
A very noisy symphony, but still beautiful. So we walk up to the counter, and there's a friendly person waiting for us. What do we call them?
A barista. This is a great word for learners. A barista is the person who makes your coffee.
And they often greet you with something like, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" That's when the important part begins. Ordering.
Right. But many learners make one very common mistake. They walk up and say, "I want a coffee." And while that's not terrible, it is a bit too direct.
Exactly. Instead, we want to sound polite and friendly. So we use magic phrases like, "I would like," or "Can I have, please?" For example, "I would like a coffee, please."
Or, "Can I have a latte, please?" Both are polite, natural, and easy to use.
Next comes the fun and sometimes confusing part, choosing the type of coffee. There are so many options: espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino.
True, but we don't have to panic. Just choose what you enjoy. Personally, I love an Americano, strong and simple, like a cup of courage.
I prefer a latte, soft, creamy, milky, like a warm cloud in a cup. It's comfort coffee.
After that, we choose the size. Most coffee shops have small, medium, and large, but some use Italian names like tall, grande, and venti.
Learners don't need to worry too much. If you say small or medium, every barista understands you.
Now, how about we do a practice conversation? Lily, you be the barista. I'll be the customer trying to sound polite and charming.
All right, here we go. Hi there. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Can I have a medium Americano, please?
Absolutely. Would you like room for milk?
No room, please. I like it totally black. Like my sense of humor.
Perfect. Anything to eat? A muffin, a croissant maybe?
A croissant sounds great. One butter croissant, please.
And is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm busy today.
Nice job, Jason. That sounded completely natural.
Thanks, Lily. But we're not done yet, because every coffee shop has something else. The tradition of writing names on cups. And they always spell my name wrong.
Seriously? How can someone misspell Jason?
Oh, trust me, I've seen it all. Jason, Jason, Jason. Once someone wrote bacon. I still don't know how that happened.
Maybe they were hungry. Anyway, after ordering, if we say for here, we need to find a seat. Sometimes the shop is full and we have to ask someone, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
Great phrase to learn. And if they say, no, go ahead, we can sit and enjoy the atmosphere.
Speaking of atmosphere, people do all kinds of things in coffee shops. Working on laptops, reading books, chatting with friends.
Or desperately searching for the Wi-Fi password. That's the most important question for many people. Do you have Wi-Fi?
True. Coffee shops are cozy places to focus or relax. Soft music, warm lights, and the smell of caffeine heaven.
And sometimes we go to meet a friend. The natural invitation is, let's grab a coffee. Simple and friendly.
Yes, and when you see your friend walking in, you can wave and say, "Hey, over here," and then greet them with, "Hey, good to see you," or "How have you been?"
And that's the beauty of coffee shops. Good drinks, good atmosphere, and good conversations.
And thinking about how people greet each other in coffee shops reminds me of another common moment, Jason. After we sit down with our drinks, there's always that little routine people do, taking the first sip, closing their eyes, and acting like it's the best thing in the world.
Oh yes, the dramatic first sip. Everyone does it. You take one tiny sip and suddenly life makes sense again. It's like coffee has magical healing powers.
Honestly, it kind of does. And once people settle in, that's when all the small rituals begin. Some open their laptops immediately, some check their phone, others pull out a book. Coffee shops are full of little stories happening at the same time.
And each story is different. There's always someone writing a novel, someone doing homework, someone having a deep conversation, and someone trying to stay awake after sleeping only 3 hours.
Yes, and the funniest part is how everyone pretends to be productive, but half of them are just scrolling social media while holding the same cup of iced coffee for 2 hours.
I feel attacked, Lily. That's exactly what I do.
Well, at least you're honest. But for English learners, sitting in a coffee shop is great practice. You can listen to how people order, how they talk to the barista, how they interact with friends. It's real, natural English in a relaxed environment.
Absolutely. Students often think learning English only happens in classrooms. But the truth is, everyday places like coffee shops can teach you just as much. Even simple phrases you hear around you can help a lot.
Like when someone says, "Could I get a napkin?" Or, "Is this seat free?" Or, "Do you need anything else?" These phrases are short but super useful.
And of course, the classic line at every crowded cafe, "Hi, could I get the Wi-Fi password?" That question is a survival skill.
Definitely. Oh, and something we didn't talk about yet, when the barista calls out your order. Sometimes they call by name, sometimes by drink. Medium latte for Lily, or Americano to go.
Yes, and if the place is busy, everyone stands around waiting like they're at an airport gate, listening carefully for their name.
And sometimes you hear a name that completely surprises you, like banana frappuccino for dragon? You just know someone gave a fake name for fun.
I can't blame them.
Giving a cool fake name sounds fun. I might try it one day. Maybe I'll be Captain Strong Coffee.
That is the most dramatic fake name ever, Jason.
Well, if you're going to choose a fake name, make it memorable.
Another little thing that happens in coffee shops is the small talk with the barista. Sometimes they ask how your day is going or what your plans are. It's a nice moment to practice polite conversation.
Right. And even simple responses like pretty good, thanks, or just getting some work done help build confidence.
And for people who feel shy, coffee shops are perfect because nobody expects long conversations. Quick, friendly exchanges are enough.
Exactly. Plus, you leave with a delicious drink, which makes everything easier.
Speaking of drinks, one thing learners often wonder about is how to customize their order. But the truth is, it's easy. You just add your request at the end. Can I have a cappuccino with oat milk? Or can I get extra caramel syrup?
You can even ask for temperature changes, like extra hot, less ice, or no foam. Baristas are used to all kinds of requests.
Yes, but maybe not too many requests at once. I once heard someone order something like a half decaf almond milk latte with 1 pump of vanilla, light foam, extra hot, in a paper cup, but with a ceramic saucer. The barista looked like they needed a vacation.
That sounds like a chemistry experiment, not a drink.
Another thing about coffee shops is the background music. Soft jazz, acoustic guitar, lo-fi beats. It creates a cozy atmosphere.
And sometimes you hear a song you like but can't find anywhere. It becomes the mysterious coffee shop song that will follow you forever.
True. And while enjoying the music, people often stay for hours. Some read, some chat, some work, some stare into space, thinking about life.
Coffee shops are kind of magical that way. They make you feel calm and inspired at the same time.
And they bring people together. That's what I love most. Whether you're meeting a friend, going on a casual date, or just enjoying time alone, there's something special about being there.
I agree. And I hope our listeners now feel more confident about ordering coffee and enjoying the whole experience, not just the drink.
Definitely. And we'd love to hear from everyone. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite coffee order? Do you like sweet drinks, strong drinks, or something simple?
And do you prefer oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, or regular milk? We're curious.
Also, don't forget to practice the phrases we taught today. Next time you go to a coffee shop, try using, "Can I have?" Or, "Is this seat taken?" Or, "Could I get a napkin?"
The more you use them, the more natural they become.
And thank you all for spending time with us. It always feels like we're sharing a warm cup of coffee together.
Yes, thank you for joining today's conversation. Have a wonderful day, enjoy your next coffee, and keep practicing English wherever you go. See you in the next episode.